Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your side income with Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your side income with Fiverr, start by creating an account on the platform. Visit the Fiverr website and click on join in the top right corner. Fill out the registration form with your email address or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once registered, complete your profile with a professional photo and a compelling description of your skills. Next, identify your niche by researching popular gigs in your area of expertise. Analyze what services are in demand and how you can differentiate yourself. Create your first gig by clicking on Selling and then Gigs. Choose a descriptive title that clearly states what you offer. Select the appropriate category and subcategory for your gig. Craft a detailed gig description that highlights your skills and experience, clearly stating what buyers can expect. Set competitive pricing by exploring what others in your niche charge. Consider offering 3 pricing tiers: basic, standard, and premium. Add relevant tags that will help your gig appear in search results. Next, upload a captivating thumbnail image that showcases your service visually. If applicable, include samples of your previous work to enhance your credibility. Publish your gig and share it on social media to reach a wider audience. Regularly check your Fiverr inbox for messages from potential clients. Respond promptly to inquiries to demonstrate professionalism and increase your chances of getting hired. Monitor your gig's performance through Fiverr Analytics and adjust your approach as needed. Keep updating your skills and consider expanding your offerings over time. Stay engaged with the Fiverr community by participating in forums and discussions. Seek client feedback and reviews to refine your services and reputation. Continuously promote your gigs through social media, networking, and online communities. With consistency and dedication, you'll be on your way to upgrading your side income with Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.